The fact you want to write down on the paper or on the document is that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. It is just a metric conversion. A liter is just a little bit less than a quart. So if you compare it to a gallon, you need a little bit over 4 liters to make a gallon. So that's kind of, some information that you can kind of think about think about a 2-liter bottle of some kind of pop of some sort. Think about half of that, okay? So if they tell you a liter and you are combining it with something that's in milliliters, make sure the units match. So do you see how they called the 1 liter 1,000 milliliters? So just make sure that you know this conversion. That's the main thing. Other than that, it's a pretty easy kind of sort of conversion for these, okay? So here, for these ones, they're pretty straightforward because the units already match. So you just add them. But let's look at number 5. Because number 5, one of them is in milliliters and one of them is not. Let's make sure that we convert it so that the units match. What's great about the 1,000 conversion is to find out what the conversion is. You can either multiply by 1,000 or move the decimal place 3 places to the right. So 1.5 milliliters, if we take this decimal and scooch it over 3 places, you got to go under the 5. That counts as 1 jump to the right. That is the same as, that's liters. 1.5 liters is the same as 1,500 milliliters. So you don't want to use in the calculation for number 5, 1.5. You want to change that to 1,500 milliliters. And then there's some other things we have to do, okay? Once we add them, we're going to get 2,000. But that's milliliters for all of these. Those are milliliters. So once you get that calculation, very simple, when the units match, add them up. And then we have to convert it by dividing by 1,000. Or again, move the decimal back. So if we move the decimal back, that would be 2 or 2.0 or 2 liters. So we're going to go back and forth. Look at 3 for a minute. That's 1,000 milliliters, which we know is exactly 1 liter. So just make sure that your units are matching what they're asking. You cannot add 2 units unless they match. Once you add it, are you getting the units that they're telling you about? Let's do 7. So if 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, what's 2 liters? 2,000. It's that simple. So it's 2,000 plus 500 is 2,500. Is that the answer they're looking for? No, because that's in milliliters. So make sure that you move the decimal place 3 places over, or you can hit divided by 1,000 on a calculator, and the answer would be 2.5. So all this lesson is about converting back and forth between milliliters and liters. The main fact to remember is that 1,000 milliliters is equivalent to a liter. Okay, so any questions about the top here? So if it says milliliters, keep it in milliliters. If it says liter, you got to convert it, okay? Let's talk about 11 to 13 for a minute. Let's do 11, and then we'll jump down to the recipe. Okay, so let's look at 11. It says Mark combines 2 bottles of pop. One bottle contains 350 milliliters. The other contains a liter. What total amount of pop is there in liters? Now, we can do this problem 2 ways. That's 1,000 milliliters. So 1,000 plus 350 is 1,350 in milliliters. They wanted the answer in liters. Make sure you divide it by 1,000, which moves that decimal place back. Now, you can write 1.35, that's okay, or a 1.535 and put the 0. I don't care. It doesn't hurt it one way or the other, okay? Another way to do it is you could have converted this one to 0.35, and then 1 plus 0.35 is 1.35. So if they're asking in liters, you can convert everything to liters and then add it. You can convert everything to milliliters and then convert it back. Either way, they must be the same units before we add them. Okay? Okay, so that is part 2, but I would like to talk about this section. Okay? So if you look at 13, it says Linda wants to make punch for 10 people. Below is the recipe for 5. What do we have to multiply? So think about 10. Yes. Yeah. Think about your multiplication. If we wanted to add the two things together twice, because it would be 5 plus 5, yes. But we're just going to multiply all this by 2. So all that's times 2. Now, be careful. See how it says, what is your total liquid in liters? I would probably take all of these and make them liters before I did my math. Otherwise, if you have milliliters over here, make sure you're answering the correct question. If they want it in liters, give it to them in liters. If you do your math in milliliters and then convert, I'm okay. You can do that. What I mean by that is if you use 250 milliliters, that's 500 milliliters when you multiply, but that is only 0.5 liters. They want liters. So when you do your totaling, make sure you're totaling the answer in liters or it's not going to work. Okay, does that make sense how that works? So that is your goal here, is to work on this and make sure you're turning it in. I have tried to start separating the little sections so that you don't have to worry about it being the same name over and over again. Make sure you're saving as you go, because I don't want you to lose your work. Okay, make sure to save as you go. You can always even save a screenshot. You can save it to your drive. You can save it to the device. You can save it to both, but make sure you're saving your work. Okay.